G'day guys, I'm Ben Hastings, the General Manager of allbids.com.au. As you can see behind me, once again we have a huge range of vehicles upcoming in our 2021 unique and classic car auction. So let's check them out. One of the cars I really wanted to feature as part of this unique and classic car auction is this absolutely fantastic Ferrari 360 Mondina Challenge Stradale Replica. Now take a look at the car. It's clear that someone spent a lot of time and effort and money making this car present correctly. We've got the full leather interior, pearl white paint, the black wheels, Challenge Stradale kit, lots of genuine parts, the car's been lowered, and the wheels. It is an absolutely fantastic car and it's certainly going to appeal to a lot of buyers. This is a 1993 EBII GT Series 2, number 144. On offer, we're also going to have some early classic cars, and there's going to be something for everyone, such as this Volkswagen Safari and this Willow green E-Type Jaguar. Another one that I really wanted to show you guys is this 1968 Chevrolet Camaro drag car. It's got the 468 big block with the 871 wind blower. As you can see behind me, once again guys, we have a massive selection of vehicles on offer on Allbid. From tow trucks to original Australian muscle cars, unrestored Australian cars, convertibles, GTRs, Ferraris. We really have it all this time for you on offer. So jump on allbids.com.au. The auction will start on Wednesday the 10th of March at 5 PM and will conclude on Wednesday the 17th of March between 7 PM and 10 PM.